Ukusabela kwisiganeko sakutsha nje sokukhuthaza okanye sokukhuthuzwa kwabasebenzi, isebe lezempilo laseRhawutini liqinise imigaqo yokhuseleko kwiziko lezempilo loluntu laseshawelo. Izola abasebenzi bokhathalelo lwempilo kwiyunithi yoncedo olungxamisekileyo kwiklinikhi bahlaselwe baphangwa liqela labantu abangaziwayo ababezenza oonogada bothintelo lolwaphulo-mthetho kuluntu. Ukulandela esi siganeko, isebe libhengeze ukongezwa kwabasebenzi bokhuseleko kwiziko kunye nokuphuculwa kwenkqubo yokucupha.
The department condemns the attack on healthcare workers at the Shawelo Community Health Center emergency unit in the early hours of this morning when unknown assailants robbed staff at gunpoint. A group of men impersonating crime prevention wardens gained entry at the facility by deceitfully seeking emergency medical assistance. During the incident, the robbers held security personnel at gunpoint, assaulted an intern doctor, and stole personal belongings from both medical staff and security guards. Fortunately, one of the workers managed to escape the scene unnoticed and called the police. On their arrival at the facility, the robbers had already fled the scene. A case of armed robbery has since been opened with the Moroka police station. We understand, of course, the fears and concerns expressed by our staff following this particular incident, and measures have been taken to strengthen security protocols at the facility, including the deployment of additional personnel in terms of and also the improving of the surveillance system in the facility.